Hey everybody, Dr. McCollum here. I'm just going through this book that a friend of mine wrote called The Funky Kitchen, and it talks about things that you can do to help really balance your diet over the holiday. You know, we're all going to be tempted to eat things that we shouldn't, but when we get into fermented foods like sauerkraut, pickles, relish, that kind of stuff, actually is going to help balance the GI tract. It's going to help the good microbiome or the good bugs in your gut proliferate and hold down the bad ones. So you can get this book on Amazon if you want, but if you just start thinking about live foods that you can eat, whenever you go to the store, go into the cold section. Don't get sauerkraut off of the shelf where it's warm. You want to get the stuff that's in the cold section, it's alive. That stuff is going to make a huge difference for your health, help boost your immune system, and keep you healthy for the holiday. All right, have a great day.